Next, we're going to start with the evolution concept cartoons using the worksheet that's been passed out to you. These concept cartoons were developed by Diane Anderson and Kathleen Fisher at Point Loma Nazarene University as prompts for discussing ideas about evolution. You're going to notice that in the cartoons there are a number of incorrect statements, and Diane and Kathleen purposely insert these because they come from common misconceptions students have about how life evolves. It turns out that of all the units that we studied this year, the most student misconceptions occur during evolution. Our plan is to show these concept cartoons to you at the start of the unit and then revisit them again at the end after we finish teaching you and see how your thinking has changed. Here is the first concept cartoon. It says, "Will physical fitness make a difference in their kids?" There are 4 people here, and you'll notice that they have letters A, B, C, and D listed next to them. The goal is for you to listen to each of their explanations that are in their bubbles and choose which one you think has the correct answer to the question at the top. So person A says, "If we are in great shape, our children will be born that way." Person B says, "The next generation will benefit from our hard physical work." Person C says, "I think that working out and being fit will gradually change their genes so it will affect their kids." And person D says, "You are crazy. Lifting weights doesn't change your genes." On your worksheet, you'll see up here at the very top number 13 and the topic acquired traits. Of the 4 options, person A, B, C, or D, in this column pre, write down A, B, C, or D with which person you think answers the question best. Leave the post column blank today. We will use that column when we do the concept cartoons again at the end of the year. And we will fill out the explanation box also at the end of the unit. So for now, you're just going to write in this column A, B, C, or D. I'll show you the cartoon one more time. So again, this is cartoon 13. You see down here at the bottom the 13, and this is the one about acquired traits. Take a moment. Do you agree most with person A, B, C, or D? Mark your answer on your worksheet. Here is the second concept cartoon, number 24. The topic is adaptation. What is Darwinian adaptation? Person A says, "I am adapting to this hot weather by drinking lots of water and staying relaxed." Person B says, "Only populations can adapt, like these cacti have over many years." Person C says, "This heat bothers me, but I think I'll adapt in a few days." And person D says, "You and I know how to adapt, but plants are not that smart." On your worksheet, mark whether you agree with person A, B, C, or D. Pick only one answer. This is cartoon number 7 about competition. And this will be our last cartoon for this short video, and then we'll take a break and come back and do some more. What is competition in nature? Person A says, "Competition means fighting, and the biggest one usually wins." Person B says, "No, most competition involves a struggle to get enough food or water or space." Person C says, "I think competition means that one creature takes stuff from another, like a female." And person D says, "It's mostly the males that compete." Pick whether you agree with person A, B, C, or D, and mark that on your worksheet next to number 7, competition.